So, this is Lian's Sari-Sari Store. Small Sari-Sari Store. And here. Some spices for cooking, shampoo, toothpaste, powder bleach, some coffee. Here also some napkins, canned foods, canton. So, Lian, maora ni tanan Lian?
Yes.
So, maora niya, small pa, no? So, kumuda ko ni, mudaghan po, no? So, Lian Small Sari-Sari Store. Asa man yung halin ni mo, mga halin? Nasa imong lola? Oh, so sila, imong lola nagkupot? Oh, okay. Bye-bye!